We're here with Mark Johansen from ZenSati Cables. We'll be asking you some questions about the new range of cables being offered in Australia. Okay, Mark, what can you tell me about ZenSati?
Well, the concept of ZenSati cables is very easy. It's neutrality on high level, it's about the musicality and speed in the cables. That's very easy. And every system needs neutral cables. So what we want to manufacture is high level cables. Yeah, sure.
Now, are there unusual materials and topologies involved in the cables? Obviously, they may change from level to level.
The basically material is silver-plated copper in the level 3 and the level 2, and the high-end level 1, is with gold-platinate copper. Then gives an extremely tight neutral zone.
Right.
And then the combination of the dielectric and the material that give this neutral cables.
Sure. Do you use shielding?
No, only on the phono cables.
Okay.
No.
And where do you source the connectors? Do you prefer one type of connector over another? Have you experimented with different type of connectors?
Yes, what we are searching is only the neutral connectors.
Mm-hmm.
But we have a strategy with FoodTech, but we are not engaged with them.
Right.
So we are open for other markets.
Okay. What are some of the markets that you being a relatively new company, what are some of the markets that you've come into? Obviously, United States, Australia.
Yeah, of course, the first priority was the home market. It was important for us to be stable there. And then we have very quickly become distributors in China, Hong Kong, Macau, Australia, and Spain, Portugal, and now we are looking for some bigger. We are nearly agreement with a US distributor, and we are searching for the right Russia distributor and one in Japan. This is the main goal. We also have a connection to Saudi Arabia, and it's very exciting what's happened there.
Sure. When you said we wanted to establish a strong market at home, can you tell viewers where home is? What country?
Yes, we are from Denmark, and the strongest market in the Scandinavian sector is in Norwegian, and that was a very good beginning for us. The distributor there have done a very good job.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Now, do you prefer to? I know you wouldn't voice a cable as such because you want it to be as neutral as possible. But what is your preferred equipment to test some of the cable designs?
Oh, that's a very good question, because we have used so many different marks to develop the cables. For example, audio research, Krell, and so on in this level. And by the speaker side, the Wilson audio speakers, the full line, we have it in our development department, Sonos Faber, and Magnepan, and so on in that level.
Actually, that's actually a very interesting way of doing it, because you're listening to your designs in quite varied contexts.
Yeah. What's important was that we have this experience that many manufacturers of speakers and electronic made now since the last 5-10 years neutral electronic and speakers, and therefore we need neutral cables.
Exactly.
We are not 20 years behind. In the old days, we need cables to compensate. You can't compensate with ZenSati.
Yeah.
It is just an open cable, just transport the signals from 1 to 3 and from 3 to 4.
Sure.
Yeah.
I must agree with you. I heard a listen within the context of my system for a few days, and I was very impressed.
Okay.
And not only do the cables allow the signal to flow through, but they also bring a form of like body to the music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a result of the development.
Sure.
That we get the music out and the strategy is only to transport, just connecting the music as the payoff is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, ZenSati is a relatively young company.
Yeah.
Can I ask you, where do you see ZenSati going, and what future products are you looking at?
It's always difficult to talk about the future, but we have the strategy, as I told you, and we become the distributors what we want. Of course we do, because of course we are very busy in this business, and we have a good product. And the present distributors are working very good, so we will get our goals.
Terrific. Well, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you.